Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export timesheets in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, in the left panel, we have here the timesheets module. So just click on it and select from one of your timesheets. Just click on view right here besides the timesheet and click on the three dots and just click on export timesheet. Okay, hit on yes and add in a password. Hit on OK. Wait for the export to be finished. Okay. All right, as you can see here, the export status now says ready for download. Click on download, save it wherever you want, rename it if you want to as well, and click on save. There you go. Now, another option is by going to time logs right here. Now just go to the top, click on three dots, export it to PDF or export all time logs. Okay, it could be in XLSX format or CSV. And if you want to, you could export it as well with file information, project categories at active or both active and archived, date range current or custom. If you want to include these columns into your export, you can go ahead and move all and just click on export right here. Hit on yes, add in a password, hit on OK. There you go. Timesheet is ready and we have downloaded it. Now it's time for the time log. And by the way, for each export right here, you'll be able to download it from your email as well. So just click on download right here, save it wherever you want. As you can see, it says timesheet as well. You can go ahead and rename it if you want to. If not, just leave it. Okay. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.